Hello there, welcome to Leap Tutor. I'm Ofure, the founder. I recently graduated with a degree in biochemistry, and with more than 4 years of experience tutoring chemistry, I decided to create this space in order to help students. Leap is a space that primarily focuses on high school and college level chemistry. Throughout the years, I've seen students struggle with different concepts, and so my goal is to break down these concepts. The idea is to make chemistry as uncomplicated as possible while still ensuring that you take away essential information that will help you in acing your chemistry class. I strongly believe that students learn better when abstract ideas are simplified. And so, we're going to be using fun yet informative animation video that will hopefully help you to further your understanding and bridge any gaps that you might have. Do come along on this journey, and while you're at it, please don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss out on any new videos that drop. You can also follow Leap on any of our social medias: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, all of which are linked in the description below. That's it for now. Bye. See you in the next video.